5 times 8 divided by 2, parenthesis 3 plus 2. Hello seniors, can you solve this math problem within 10 seconds? If you can, then solve it within 10 seconds. Your time starts now. Okay, your time's up. Where as we can see, there are four operations, which is this multiplication, this division, and this parenthesis part, and also inside that there is addition. So there are multiple operations, so we will follow order of operations, which is PEMDAS here. And according to PEMDAS, first preference will be this parenthesis part P, then exponent, then multiplications, then division, addition, and last subtractions. So first we will go for this parenthesis part, and as we can see inside that parenthesis we have an addition operations, which is 3 plus 2, and 3 plus 2 will give result 5. So in a simplified way we can write 5 times 8 divided by 2 parenthesis 5, and we can simplify. There is nothing but juxtaposition, and we can write 2 times 5. Now we have left with three operations, which is this multiplication, division, and multiplication. And as we know that multiplication and division have the same priority, and in that case we have to solve left to right. Now if you think like you are solving 2 times 5, which equals to 10, and 8 times 5, which equals to 40, there is division, and 40 divided by 10, you will get answer 4, then this will be the wrong way. So always follow the order of operations. And here we have to solve our math problem throughout left to right. And when we solve left to right, let's write our question again. 5 times 8 divided by 2 times 5. And when we try to solve left to right there, first we will solve this multiplication part, and when we multiply we will get 5 times 8, which equals to 40, and we can write 40 divided by 2 times 5. Now we will go for this division, which is 40 divided by 2. This will be 20 times 5, and 20 times 5, we will get answer here 100. Okay, and if you are seniors, then must subscribe us for more brainstorming videos. Thanks for watching.